Game. Timer starts now. What's the first word? Ayan guys. O gumagana yung oras. Ano yung first word natin? Fish. Yan. Kay Kian, fish. Kay Berlang, shed. Fish. F-I-S-H meron. Berlang, shed. S-H-E-D. Parehong meron. Share. S-H... Hindi. Pinashare lang yan. Sorry. Cargo. Guys, if ever ma-miss out ko yung word, paki-comment yung ulit ha. C-A-R-G-O. Cargo. Cape. C-A-P-E. Meron. Yes, what else guys? Crush. Kay Kian, crush. C-R-A-S-H-E-D. Wow, that's very good. Shaker. S-H-A-K-E-R. Meron. Sharks. S-H-A-R-K. Meron din. Alright. Thrice. Mr. Maverick, yung thrice ba? Ganyan spelling yung thrice. T-H-R-I-C. Ay, tama. No? Ganyan spelling niya, no? Thrice, twice, thrice. Ganyan siya, no? Okay, sick. Kian. S-A-K-E. Very good. Ice. I-C-E. Meron. Fisher. F-I-S-H-E. F-I-S-H-E. Allah, hindi ata pwedeng fisher. Tatalong kasing E sa R. Tama guys, hindi siya pwede. Yung fisher. Fish. F-I-S-H-E-D. Pwede yung fish na may E-D sa huli. Ano pa guys? This. P-H-I-S. Very good. Shaker, sharky, tsaka sheep. Okay, Marvin. Okay, shaker, sharky, tsaka sheep. Gawin natin lahat yan. Shaker muna. S-H-A-K-E-R. Very good. Ano isa? Nakalimutan ko lahat. Sharky, tsaka sheep. S-H-A-R-K-Y meron. S-H-A-P-E. Meron lahat. Kian. Ay, Marvin. Yes, Kian, make sharks. Cherry pie, shack. Parang shake shack, no? Okay. S-H-A-C-K. Meron. Berlang, care. C-A-R-E. C-A-R-C-E. Pwede. C-A-R-E. What else, guys? Guys, kung di ko pa na may mention, paki-comment ulit ha. Shape. S-H-A-P-E. Meron. Tapos pwede siyang gawing shaper. Shaper tsaka shape. Nandyan. Shaker. Meron. Shake tsaka thrice. Yung shake, S-H-A-K-E, cherry, meron. Tapos yung thrice, meron din. T-H-R-I-C-E. T-H-R-I-C-E. Pwede. Yes, Marvin, pwede yung fish. Kian, yung hacker. H-A-C-K-E-R, meron. What else? Grace. G-R... Where's the letter G? G-R-A-C-E. Very good. Pear. P-A-R-E. Meron din. Crush meron. Gawin natin ulit yung crush. C-R-A-S-H-E. Meron. What else? Ito, kay Cherish, Park, Cargo, tsaka Cash. Gawin natin lahat yan. Cherish ha. Park, P-A-R-K, tapos Cargo, C-A-R-G-O, tapos Cash, C-A-S-H. Lahat meron. MC ship, gawin natin. S-H-I-P meron. So we still have 1 minute and 41 seconds left in our timer. Grape naman, G-R-A-P-E, meron. Shaper is S-H-A-P-E-R, meron. Shape meron din. Crush meron, yayi. Yung thief, gawin natin, yayi. T-H-I-E-F, meron din. Nick I-E, casted, gawin natin yan. C-A-S-T-E-D, meron. Guys, kung meron akong hindi pa na mention na word, paki-comment lang ng paulit-ulit hanggang ma-mention ko siya, ha? Scare. S-C-A-R-E, meron. Scary. S-C-A-R-Y. Parehong meron yan. Andy. Andy Shop. Share, Jai. Meron share. S-H-A-R-E. So we still have 1 minute and 1 second, 59 seconds left, guys. Heist. H-E-I-S-T. Meron. What else? Pace. P-A-C-E. P-A-C-E. Yes, meron pace. Cargo meron, Kian. Tricky. Sino nagbigay ng tricky? Si Liza. Tsaka si Hansi. Tricky. T-R-I-C-K-Y. Tricky meron, Hansi, tsaka Liza. Leonine, crepe. Yes, may crepe na word. C-R-E-P-E. Meron, crepe. Who else? Cargo. Merong cargo, Gian. Ito gawin natin. C-A-R-G-O. We still have 23 seconds left in our timer. So, remember, you should be ready with our longest word kung sino makaka-remember. Race tsaka share meron. Yung race, R-A-C-E meron. Tapos yung share meron. S-H-A-R-E. What else? Scrape. S-C-R-A-P-E. Meron scrape. Comment you guys ulit-ulit mga word na Shark meron Penny, Cheryl may care, Crush G meron, Paula may Grace, MC Park, PARK meron din. Guys, time's up tayo. Fiasco. Ihabol natin yung Fiasco tsaka score ha. FI, nasa yung F natin. Do we have a letter F? Parang wala tayong letter F. Yung ano na lang, yung score muna. Habol natin, SCORE. Meron ba tayong letter F? Guys, wala no? Yes, Rowan, may tries. Ay, may F daw. Ito pala, FIASCO. Yes, may Fiasco. Sorry. Thank you. Pack, merong pack. PACK. Guys, time's up na tayo. What's our longest word? Yes, Dave, thank you. Irish yung nationality. Habol natin, guys. Pwede ba siya IRISH? Pwede naman. What's our longest word? Natatandaan nyo ba? Crush ba? CRASHED. That's a 7-letter word. I think so. Crush ang ating longest word. Okay? So guys, i-shuffle ko na ulit para makapag round 2 na tayo. Gusto nyo ba yun? Round 2 na tayo agad? Gusto nyo na ba na mag-round 2 agad, guys? Thank you, Kian. Yes, crush ang longest. Tsaka na-mention rin ni Panteng. Okay? Okay, guys, shuffle ko lang. Oh, guys, bago tayo mag-round 2, pwede ba tayo kung sino lang pwede ha, wala sa pilitan. Kung sino lang pwedeng 5 sa inyo na mag-share ng live natin. 5 lang na pwede mag-share ng live natin. Okay? Kung meron lang, pero kahit walang mag-share, itutuloy natin agad to, guys. Kaayusin ko lang ha. Di nag-notif sa'yo, overthink. Ay, ba't ganon? So sad naman, di nag-notif. Bakit kaya? Ayan, thank you sa mga nag-share, guys. Okay, guys, ito na. Okay, ito na. Excited ako eh. Timer starts now. Share lang kayo, guys, pag may time kayo. Okay, what else? What's the first word? Hindi rin nag-notify ka. Hindi siya pala. Naglalagata ngayon si, SOIL. Hindi siya nag-notify. SOIL, meron soil. This, THIS. Bakit kaya, no? THIS, meron this. Riff. RIFT meron, files, FILES meron, quest, QUEST. Kapag may nami-miss out ako, guys, make sure is-comment nyo lang ng paulit-ulit. SLOW hanggang ma-mention ko siya. Hindi ko man sinasadya pero talagang hindi maiwasan yun. STIT, stitch siya, guys. Nalilito ko. STI, pwede ba yung stitch? Guys, pwede ba yung stitch? Balikan ko yan ha. Sequin muna, sequin. SEQUIN meron. Lanes. Pwede ba yung stitch? LANES. Pwede. Let me know ha. Inquest. INQUEST meron. Listen. LISTEN meron. Slow. SLOW meron. Slant. SLANT meron. First. FIRST meron. Foils. Gawin natin agad through. SILENT meron. Pwede ba yung kanina, guys? Whales. WALES meron. Tapos length. LENT. Ang sinatanong kasi na, guys, kung pwede siya soul. SOLE. Kung meron akong word na hindi pa na siya shoutout, paki-comment lang ulit. Sent. SENT meron. Hitten. Cherilyn, ano kasing ibig sabihin ng hitten? Past participle ba yun ng hit? HITTEN meron. Listen meron. Meron slant. Ano, guys? Overthinkerbell. Alin po? Nakalimutan ko na. Overthinkerbell sinasabi ko. Sane. SANE. Nakalimutan ko overthinkerbell. Sorry. Sane ba meron? Balikan natin. Foils meron. Thirst. THIRS. Hindi ata pwede yung thirst, no? Kasi THIRS, ang layo ng T. Ay, ito pala. Hindi kasi pwedeng gamitin yung T na nagamit na. Kailangan ibang T ang gagamitin. It so happen, malayo yung T na yun. Okay, foul. FOWL. Nasaan ba siya? FOWL. Pwede. Lift. LIFT meron. Silent. Yes, Kian may silent. Then dito siya. SILENT meron. Foils. Meron foils. Ito siya. FOILS meron. Ano pa, guys? Tent. TENT meron. Chisel. CHISEL meron. Trio. Yung trio, TRIOS. Pwedeng trios. Yes. Insect. I-N, paano guys? I-N-S-E-C-T meron. SIFT, S-I-F-T meron. Loft, L-O-F-T meron. Eto kay CZ's, good evening Rog. Thrift, cheat, aisles, blow. CZ's yung, meron bang thrift? Kulang ata ng H yung thrift mo, no? Yung cheat mo, ano sabihin C-H-I-T? Alam ko may ganyan eh. Hindi ko lang ibig sabihin. Aisle, merong aisle. I-S-L-E. I-S-L-E, meron yan. Splow. Yung splow, hindi ko lang ibig sabihin yan, guys. Pero check natin kung nasa board siya, ha? Splow. Baka slow, no? Baka slow ibig sabihin yan, no? Na typo lang siya. Yes, Maria may listen. What else, guys? Did I miss a word? Ano yung sabihin ng sloan? S-L-O-A-N? May ganun bang word? Wala ko, loan lang. Islet, I-S-L-E-T meron. Tapos, set. Andali. Set, guys. C-E-N-T. C-E-N-T meron. Ano? Riz. W-R. Paano, guys? Meron, pwede ba yung riz? Balikan ko yung riz, guys, kasi parang feeling ko layo ng R sa W. Sequel, S-E, kasi Q-U-E-L, pwede. Quintets, Q-U-I-N-T-E-T-S, pwede. Ano yun? Lin? Yung Thai, guys, 3-letter word yan, dapat 4-letter. L-E-A-N meron. Chisel, yes, may chisel. C-H-I-S-E-L. Meron binigyan na word kanina, hindi ko siya nabasa. Tile muna, tile. T-I, T-I-L, pwede ba yung tile? T-I-L-E, yes, pwede siya. Tapos pwede siyang gawin tiles. Reset, ano yung sabihin ng reset, guys? Recent muna, R-I-S-E-N meron. Meron Shopee loan, meron. Ay, bawal sabihin, guys. Jules, huwag sasabihin yun, guys. Huwag sasabihin yun. Yung wag ko lang ganyanan, guys, ha. Bawal kasi sabihin dito yan. Mag-i-end yung live, guys. Wag sabihin yung iba sa ibang platform, ha? Kasi pag nasa game na ako, ako, guys, parang di ko na naiisip yun. Okay? Please. E-N-L-I-S-T. Bawal sabihin, guys, yung mga tungkol sa ibang platform. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Meron. Okay? Recent. Okay, guys, what's our longest word? Lins meron, guys. Anli. Saka endless over Tinkerbell. Yung, ano ibig sabihin mong inano, guys? Ano, what else, guys? Lift. Inquest meron. Alright? May inquest over Tinkerbell. So, time's up tayo for this round. Ano yung longest word natin? Yes, inquest ang ating lang. Beauty. Beauty house. Yung fries mo, check natin. F-R-I. Pwede ba siya? F-R-I-E. Hindi ata pwede. F-R-I-E-S. Pwede pala. Beauty house. Sino ka kasi? Hindi ba kilala kita? Ano kasing name mo? Pa-comment mo nga. Beauty house. Kilala kita di ba? Nakalimutan ko sino ka. Comment mo naman yung name mo. Okay. Kala ko si ano. Ikaw pala yan. Okay. Go. Ikaw pala yan. Kala ko sino. Nga po, kilala kita. Alright, guys. Move na tayo sa third round, ha. Okay, so ang longest word natin, inquest. Alright. Yung thirst, di ko na ma-check, Jerry, kasi na-shuffle ko na. Okay, game na ba kayo sa third round natin? If you are game, guys, comment kayo ng game. Okay yan, Wendell, thank you sa pag-follow. So guys, gayahin natin si Wendell kung gusto natin maka-join sa mga lives natin. Mag-follow kayo lang din sa account ko if you want to join this entertaining, fun, and vocabulary expanding game. Guys, mag-follow lang kayo. Thank you sa mga pwede din mag-share, guys. Ready na ba, guys? Thank you, MC, sa pag-follow. Excuse me. Guys, ready na ba? Ready? Are you ready, guys? Guys, are you ready? Guys, ready na ba kayo, guys? Ready? Okay, ready na, guys. Okay, timer starts now. Game, what's the first word? Ortho? Ang bilis niya, ha? Ortho. Ortho, guys, is abbreviation orthopedic. Di ko lang alam pwede siyang standalone word. Okay, then, T-H-E-N meron. What else? Hence, H-E-N-C-E meron. Faith, F-A-I-T-H meron din. Fence, F-E-N-C-E meron. Fence meron. Hence naman, H-E-N-C-E meron. Oath, O-A-T-H meron. Fence, yes, Sherilyn meron. Neon, N-E-O-N meron. Diretso lang dun sa pababa. Okay? Root, Kian root, R-O-O-T, R-O-O-T pwede. Fraught, F-R-O-T-H meron. Jar is a 3-letter word. Dapat po 4-letter words and up. Then, T-H-E-N meron. Suit, S-O-O-T-H-E meron. Then, good PM mga kala. Good PM Sonia. Then, T-H-A-N meron. Yeah. Roar, R-O-A, paano yung roar? R-O-A-R, pwede pala. Go. Oath, merong oath. O-A-T-H. Guys, we still have 3 minutes and 35 seconds left. Faith, F-A-I-T-H meron. Gift, G-I-F-T meron. Faith, F-A-I-T-H meron. Suit, merong suit. Sort, S-O-R-T meron. Yung suit, gawin natin ulit. S-O-O-T-H-E meron. Suit. Sort, meron. Sherilyn. Heft, M-C-H-E-F-T meron. What else, guys? Keep your words coming, guys. Fence, F-E-N-C-E, very good. Suit, S-O-O-T meron. Yan. Rough, R-A-F-T meron. Yes. Neon, diretso doon sa pataas, guys. Fort, merong fort. F-O-R-T-H meron. What else? Safe, S-A-F-E. Keep your words coming, guys. Hence, H-E-N-C-E, very good. Faith, F-A-I-T-H. Go lang, guys. Meron faith. Taro, T-A-R-O meron. Suit, merong suit. Then, tsaka dan, Sherilyn, pareho meron yan. Gift, G-I-F-T, G-I-F-T meron. What else? Forte, F-O-R-T-E meron. Excuse me, guys. Tora, ano yung sabihin Tora? O-O-T. Okay, Tora. Fort, merong fort. Suit, merong suit. Fence, ito yung suit. S-O-O-T-H-E meron. Hence meron. Dito siya, H-E-N-C-E. What else, guys? Gift, meron MC. Rota, R-O-T-A meron. Anong sabihin rota, guys? Baliktad ba? Okay. Yung rota, yung bread ba yun? Henceforth, pwede gawin isang word yung henceforth, diba? H-E-N-C-E. Kaya hindi siya pwedeng buuin. Pwede F-O-R-T-H. Di ba pwedeng gawin isang word yung henceforth, no? Tama yun, di ba? Soothen. S-O-O-T-H-E-N. Very good. Wrote. Yung R-O-T, hindi ko lang sabihin yan, pero gawin natin kung nasa board siya. R-O-T-E, nasa board naman. Sort, meron. S-O-R-T, yes. Rough. R-A-F-T, merong rough. Isa lang H ng... Ano isang ilang H ng alin? Ano kasi yun? Isa lang H ng henceforth. What do you mean sa ilang? Doon siya isa lang H. Fraught. Gawin natin ulit yung fraught. F-R-O-T-H meron. Sari, I don't know if there's a word like that, pero nasa board siya ber lang. Ano kaya ibig sabihin nun? Hindi pwede yung henceforth. Hindi pwede panting, isa lang H sa word. Okay. Tama. Sorry. Tama si panting, isa lang H sa board, no? Tama. Henceforth. May H pa sa huli. No. Okay. Okay, Rowan. Thank you. Safe. S-A-F-E. We still have 46 seconds left right sa board. Thank you. Hindi pwede pala henceforth kasi isa lang H sa board. Zone. Z-O-N-E. Nasaan Z natin, guys? Di ko makita. Z. May Z ba tayo? Guys, balikan ko yan. Paano naduduling ako? Safe meron, Sherilyn. May Z ba tayo? Sortie. S-O-R-T-I-E meron. Fence meron. F-E. Paano kasi fence? F-E-N-C-E pala. Dito pala siya. Sari is a garment. Guys, yung sari, according to Berlang, is a garment. Yes, suit meron. N yan, D-Z. Yes, N yun, guys. N to, hindi sa Z. Baka kala niya. Orate. Ano sabihin ng orate? O-R-A-T-E. Parang may ganun namang word. Orate. Cherry Pie, roar, O-R-O-R-O-A-R. Guys, time's up tayo dito, guys. MC, meron neon. So what do you think is our longest word for this round? Guys, give me the longest word. What do you think is our longest word? Anong longest word natin, guys? Natatandaan niyo pa ba, guys? Bigyan niyo na agad. Anong longest word natin? Soothen. Parang soothen. S-O-O-T-H-E-N. Yes, soothen na ating longest word, no, Marvin? Okay, that's our longest word. It's a 7-letter word. Let's shuffle ko lang, guys. I wanna know, guys, kung anong location nyo ngayon habang nanonood kayo, guys. Yes, soothen. Anong location nyo, guys, habang nanonood kayo? Hindi ko taga saan kayo talaga, guys. Not your permanent address. Where are you exactly right now habang nanonood kayo? Give me the province. Give me your province. Pampanga, Rowan. Hero, Cagapawan City. Wow, may tayong taga Mindanao. Yes, follow kayo. Thank you, guys. Poppy ba yun sa pag-follow? Poppy. Davao del Norte, Rizal. Yes, what else? Saan pa, guys? Yan, Rizal, Bataan. Okay. Thank you sa pag-follow, Poppy. Okay, guys, kung di pa kayo naka-follow sa account ko, mag-follow lang kayo sa account ko para like kayo makasama sa ating team. Zamboanga City, si Maria, si Jerry Pangasinan, si Riz Batangas. Ranch, thank you sa pag-follow. Ayan, guys, gayahin sila sa pag-follow kasi pag naka-follow kayo, like yung manonotify para makasama kayo sa live natin. Iloilo, Batanes. Hero, thank you sa pag-follow. Yan, CDO, Ilocos Norte. Wow, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao na naman tayo ngayon, guys. So, guys, eto na yung ating Nueva Ecija. Si Jasmine, okay? PG, Quezon. Maria, thank you sa pag-follow. Okay, guys, are you ready with the next one, guys? Baguio, wow. Nakakamiss yung Baguio. Quezon's Cherry Pie. Okay, guys, kailangan natin mag-start sa live natin kasi magkakaroon tayo ng ano. Okay, guys, are you ready with our next round, guys? Kung ready na kayo, i-share nyo lang yung live. Tatlong share lang ng live. Tatlo mag-share lang ng live, i-start ko na yung next round. Tatlo lang, guys. Di na marami, di ba? Okay, tatlong mag-share lang ng live, i-start na natin yung next round. Okay, yan si Poppy, share na. Si Overthinker Bells. Okay, guys. Di ba tatlo lang? Okay. Timer starts now. What's the first word? First word na tayo, guys. First word. See, letter N to, guys. Letter N. Done. D-O-N-E. D. Kasi letter D natin. Balikan ko yung done, guys, ha. Fog. Fog. Is a 3-letter word. Dapat 4-letter. Bent. B-E-N-T. B-E-N-T. Meron. Cent. C-E-N-T. Meron. Camp. Firing camp. C-A-M-P. Meron. Bench. B-E-N-C-H. Meron. Mate. M-A-T-E meron. M-A-T-E meron. Comma. C-O. Where do I begin with the comma? C-O-M-M-A meron. Patent. Yan. P-A-T-N-T. P-A-T-E-N-T. Pwede. P-A-T-E-N-T. Patent. Cent meron. Once. O-N-C-E meron. Combat. C-O. Paano, guys? Si combat, paano siya? C-O-M-B-A-T. Merong combat. Mat. M-A-T-T-E. What else, guys? Patient ba yan? Patent. May patent. Kailangan, guys, 4-letter words and up, Concept. C-O-N-C-E-P-T. Merong concept. Mapapansin nyo, guys, yung mga 3-letter word, di ko chinecheck kasi 4-letter words po tayo minimum and up. Okay? Smooth. S-M-O-O. S-M. Paano, guys? S-M. Pwede ba yung smooth? Balikan natin yung smooth. Di ako sure. Comb. C-O-M-B. C-O-M-B. Merong comb. Tench. A fish daw yung tench. Guys, gawin natin. T-E-N-C-H. Meron tench. Sofa. S-O-F-A. Meron. What else? Techno. Techno, guys, gawin natin. T-E-C-H-N-O. Meron naman techno. Yes, may techno. Merong bench, beauty house. Cherry Pie, mate, M-A-T-E, paano kasi, guys, nagawa ko nila yan? M-A-T-E, merong mate. Echo, someone, echo. E-C, nasa yung E natin? E-C-H-O, meron. Consent. Guys, yung consent, letter S yun, hindi siya letter C. Concept, meron, guys, gawin natin. C-O-N-C-E-P-T, may concept. Yes, Andy Shop, may combat. Dito siya, C-O-M-B-A-T. What else? Eunice, pent. P-E-N-T. P-E-N-T. Merong pent. Hero Fate. F-A-T-E. Meron ba yan? F-A-T-E. Meron din. Once. Cherry Pie Scent. Meron. Someone. Once. O-N-C-E. Meron. Once. Bench Liza. Meron. Eto, Matt, lacking or deprived of luster. Yes, Matt, yung parang hindi siya kumikintab over Tinkerbell. Fact. FACT. FACT, meron din. Yan yung meaning daw ng math, guys. Basahin ko na lang. Lacking or deprived of luster. So, hindi siya kumikintab. So, Lovelin, sofa, meron sofa, guys. SOFA, meron. What else, guys? Mysterygoid, fatten. FA, guys, hindi ata pwede sabihin yan. FATTEN, pero sinabi ko na. Kate, CAT, hindi ko alam kung meron sabihin ng, merong word na Kate ha, pero gawin natin. CATE. Verify nyo lang sa Merriam-Webster, guys ha. Combo. COMBO. Combo, pwede ba? Hindi ata pwedeng combo, guys, kasi walang O na malapit sa letter B. May consent po ba? May consent po sa... may consent ba, Riz? Okay, let's do that. Ano ibig sabihin ng consent ng letter C? CONCENT. Alam ko kasi CONSENT. Di ba yung parang permission? Cape. Jenny Cape. 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 Meron. Ano ibig sabihin ng consent na CONCENT? Can you check sa Merriam-Webster kung ano ibig sabihin yan, guys? Kung meron, sino sa inyo may time? Jerry Combat meron, COMBAT. Did I miss a word? Kung may na-miss akong word by comment lang ulit, guys ha. Cape tsaka nape. Yung cape meron. Yung nape gawin natin. NAPE. NAPE meron. Tapos cape CAPE meron din. What else, guys? Patent hero meron. Gawin natin rin patent. PATENT. Meron patent. Consent, noun or noun siya. Harmony ibig sabihin. Okay, consent. Harmony daw ibig sabihin yan. Yung CONCENT. Guys, we learned a new word for today, for tonight. Conch. Anong sabihin ng conch? CONCH. Hindi ba tita mo yan na palayo? Okay, guys, hindi ibig sabihin, hindi ko alam, walang word na ganun, guys. Ha? I'm just being honest na hindi ko alam yung meaning ng word na yun. Yung TAPR ba yun? O tape ba yun? Baka TAPE yan, papi, no? Na typo ka lang. Yes, may math, Jasmine. Tape meron. Bench meron. PACT, PACT. PACT meron din. Okay, guys, time's up na tayo in 5 seconds. Bench meron. Conch, a marine mollusk. O, ano siya, guys? Mollusk ba yan? Mollusk. Para siyang ano, no? Para siyang halaman. Sounds like conch. Conch ang pronunciation ng conch. Ay, CONCH. Conch daw, okay. Yung mollusk, di ba, parang mga ano? Parang mga algae yan, di ba? Mga ganun. Tama ba? Parang mga plant yan na sip. Ewan ko. Scones, an electric light fixture pattern on a candle. Scones. Guys, habol natin scones. Pero time's up na tayo. SCONCE. Guys, yung mollusk, ano kasi yung mollusk? Hindi, shell ba yon? Yung mga mollusk. Mollusk ba? Mollusk, no? Sige, shell. Shell yung mollusk. Okay, guys. Time's up tayo. What do you think is our longest word? Sino nakaka-remember ng longest word natin? Bone, habol natin yung bone. B-O-N-E. Hindi ata siya pwede kasi malayo yung B sa mga O. Okay, guys, anong longest word natin? Is it concept? C-O-N-C-E-P-T. That's a 7-letter word. Is there another word na 7-letter din? Meron pang ibang word sa 7-letter, guys? O concept na yun? Okay, guys, it seems like concept na yun. Okay, so we're moving to our next round. Okay, para mag-start tayo next round, guys, I need 5 sharer ng live. 5 lang, guys, ha? 5 na mag-share ng live. Start tayo next round. So, shuffle ko na, guys. Wala na patupik-tupik, guys. Basta may mag-share na 5 sa inyo na ano. Shellfish yung mollusk, guys. Shellfish. Okay, tama yun. Okay, nalilito na ako sa mga scientific. Minsan kasi nagbibigay ng scientific name dito. Medyo yun ang natatandaan ko. Okay, guys. Lambing ko lang naman sa yung pag-share. Pero kahit walang 5 mag-share, tutuloy pa rin natin. Pero thank you. May 5 nag-share. Okay, guys. Game na tayo. What do you think is our first word? Give me the first word. Are you ready? First word na, guys. Hindi pa, guys. Ito, bagong game. Exist. EXIST. Go. Pads. PADS. PADS meron. Space. SPACE meron. Alright. Pass. Kapag na-miss out ko yung word nyo, guys, i-comment nyo lang paulit-ulit. PASS meron. Nices. When you comment yung word sa paulit-ulit, mas mababasa ko siya. Kasi di ba meron timer. So, pag may timer tayo, may chance na ma-miss out yung word nyo kung hindi nyo ma-comment pa ulit-ulit. NEXT meron. Passer. PASSER meron. Pero once na basa na yung word nyo, okay na nun, guys. Mass meron. MASS. Passion. PASSION meron. Times. Is there a word times? Times ba yun? Session muna. SESSION meron. Scent. SCENT meron. Mansion. Paano natin gawin yung mansion, guys? MA, guys, di ko alam, balikan ko yung mansion na, hindi ako sure paano gawin as of now. Sion muna guys, S-C-I-O-N meron. Timor, Timor is a place, is a proper noun, di siya pwede, no? Spasm, unless merong other meanings Timor. Yung East Timor yun, di ba? Spasm, S-P-A-S, S-P-A-S, S-P, ala, S-P-A-S-M pwede, spasm. Siren, S-I-R-E-N meron. Ay, occasion ba yun guys? Occasion. O-C-A-S-S-I-O-N. Yes, meron occasion guys. Spam. S-P-A-M. Yan. Scam tsaka risk. Scam. S-C-A-M tapos risk. R-E. Andali guys. Hindi pwede bang, hindi ko katapin sabihin. R-E-S-C-A-M. Yan, pwede. Passer guys meron. P-A-S-S-E-R. Passion. P-A-S-S-I-O-N. Camp. C-A-M-P-S. Meron. Rent. R-E-N-T, meron. Recap, R-E-C-A-P, meron. Siren, S-I-R-E-N. We still have 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. Dam, D-A-M-N, nasan? D-A-M-N, meron. Spaces, S-P-A-C-E, S-P-A, paano guys? S-P-A-C-E-S. Merong spaces. Occasions, double C. Hindi, isa lang, di ba yung occasion? Isang S ba siya? Double C siya, isang S. Okay guys, ang tamang spell daw ng occasion is double C, isang S. Okay, tama. S-C-E-N-T. Sorry ha. Ang ginawa ko double S, isang C. Tama, isang S yun, no? Tama. Tama ba? Paki-confirm guys ha. Hero, tama ba? Isang double C, tapos isang S. O isang C double S. Scoot. S-C-O-O-T meron. Space, S-P-A-C-E. Tama naman si Hero, no guys? Yung occasion, dalawang C, isang S, no? Tama naman si Hero. S-P-A-C-E. S-P-A-C-E. Hero, hindi ako naniniwala. Nalilito lang ako. Passer. Double C, single S. Ayun guys, double C, single S. Tama si Hero. Thank you, Hero. Ascent. A-S-C-E-N-T meron. Spacer. S-P-A-C-E-R, meron spacer. Session, S-E-S-S-I-O-N, meron. Reason, R-I-S-E-N, R-I-S-E-N, meron. O-C, ano yung sabihin na in cases? Mas muna, M-A-S-S. Tapos icon, I-C-O-N, meron. Tapos vines, V-I-N-E-S. What else? Incision, I-N, paano guys? Wait lang ha. I-N-C-I-S-I-O-N. Yes, may incision. What else? Vines meron din. Keep your words coming guys. Mascot, M-A-S-C-O-T. I want you to comment your words guys again and again hanggat ma-mention ko na sila. Okay? Sayang naman kasi guys na nakita nyo tapos di natin ma-shoutout. N-O-T-I-O-N, Notion. Paano guys? N-O-T pwede ba yung Notion? Parang hindi siya pwede, no? Let me know guys kung pwede yung Notion, ha? I think I'm lost. Di ko sure. Extinct muna. E-X-T. Guys, pwede ba yung extinct? Sa mga bago natin viewers, guys, hindi siya pwedeng patalon-talon. Kailangan magkadikit yung magkasunod, ha? Notice. N-O-N-O-T-I-C. Very good. Span. S-P-A-N-D. Meron. Pwede siya lagyan ng S yata, no? Exist. E-X-I-S-T meron din. Mas. Yung mas guys na may E. May ganun bang word? Kasi alam ko lang M-A-S-S-E. So guys, time's up tayo dito. Excuse me guys. Anong meron Berlang? Anong na-miss out ko? Passion meron, Nick IE. Guys, time's up tayo kaya tinakpan ko na yung board. Notices, pwede lagyan ng N, ng C, S, N-O-T-I-C-E-S. What do you think is our longest word? Nices, meron, N-I, N-I-C-E-S-T, meron nices. What do you think is our longest word, guys? Nation, you miss. Nation, guys, hindi ko, buuin natin nation, guys. Tulungan nyo ako. N-A, paano yung nation? N-A, diba? Walang ting malapit dito. Dito naman, walang N-A. Pwede ba yung nation? Let me know. Recast. Guys, gawin ko yung recast sa R-E-C-A-S-T-S. Guys, yung nation, pwede ba siya? Nation. N-A-T-I-O-N, pwede. Yes, Brock Lesnar, merong exist. Damuo may space. TinyEst, di pa natin nagawa yan. TINIEST, meron. Mascot, MASCOT. Extinct, merong, extinct ba pwede guys? Parang hindi siya pwede kasi tatalon-talon siya, no? Okay. Ano guys ang ating longest word in session? Incision ang ating longest word. Okay guys, hindi na nakahabol yung bang word. Incision natin longest word. Kaya guys, I recommend kapag magko-comment kayo ng word nyo, paulit-ulit yun na i-comment kasi syempre yung mga words na makikita ko guys, yung mga mas madalas na i-comment. Kasi may timer dahil may timer tayo, kailangan nyo din akong tulungan na makita ko yung word nyo agad. Okay? Bro, yung recession, di ko na na-check. Kasi ito na, i-ready ko na. If you're ready with the next game, guys, isang mag-share lang, guys. Mag-start na tayo next game. Isa lang, di ba? Hindi naman ako, guys, hindi ako maraming pinapashare. Isang mag-share lang ng live. Start na tayo next game. Okay, Overthinker Bell. Thank you sa mga nag-share. Okay, timer starts now. Guys, next round na to. Sorry, hindi na nakahabol yung ibang word. Kaya I recommend paulit-ulit yung i-comment yung mga word nyo, guys. Thank you po sa pag-share, Asha, at sa mga iba pa nag-share, okay? Kelvin, di ko na nahabol yung Inception. Sorry. So, guys, sugar ang ating first word. G. S-U-G-A-R. Meron. What else? Petit. P-E-T-I-T. Wait lang. Pwede ba yung petit? P-E-T-I-T-E. Yes, pwede yung petit. Pit. Ano yung sabihin? Pwede maybe sabihin pit no? Pit. Sweet. S-W-E-E. Paano sa'yo? S-W-E-T-T. Pwede. Sugar meron. Wait. G. W-A-I-T meron. Wait. Maya. Guess. G-U-E-S-T. G-U-E-S-T meron. Sugar meron din. Waste. W-A-S-T-E meron. Rang, sang. Okay. Rang muna na R-A-N-G. R-A-N-G. Tapos R-U-N-G. Sang muna, S-U-N-G. Yung R-U-N-G, paano siya? Pwede ba yung R-U-N-G? Di yata siya pwede, no? Swag muna. S-W-A-G meron. Sweep. S-W-E-E-P. Pwede. Sang. Yung S-U-N-G meron sang. Jed. Dan. Petit. Meron petit. Dito siya Dan. P-E-T-I-T-E. Sorry daw. Ano yung sabihin? Saan siya nagpa-sorry? Wala yung wrong. Okay. Oh, it's okay. No problem sa mga mistake, guys. W-E-S-T. Pwede magkamali dito, guys. Walang judgment. Wait. W-A-I-T. Go. Stu. S-T-E-W. Guys, keep commenting your words hanggang mabasa ko sila. Unsweet. U-N-S-W-E-E-T. What else, guys? Keep your words coming. Gate. G-A-T-E. Ayaw kong guys na mabagal mag-comment ng words kasi hindi ko mababasa. Gate. Kaya comment lang ng comment ha. Steep. S-T-E-E-P. Meron steep. Web. W-E-P-T. Meron. Gusto ko kasi mabasa yung mga words nyo guys. Kaya keep on commenting your words ha. T-A-X-I. Taxi meron. Sugar Maya meron. Aya meron guest. Cherilyn may taxi. What else? Little may petit. Ines, ano sabihin T-E-T-S? Di ko lang kung anong vision ng word na yan. Pero nasa board ba siya? Parang wala, parang hindi siya pwede, no? T-E-T-S. Pwede siya. Kaya ang ibig sabihin nun, guys, Nest tsaka West muna. N-E-S-T tapos W-E-S-T. Parang merong yung Nest tsaka West. Overthinker Bell may sugar. Marvin, ano yun? Teens? Teens ba yan? Marvin pinapacheck mo? T-E-E-N-S. Yes, meron teens. Jedi Attain. A-T-T-A-I-O. A-T-T-A. Pwede ba yung attain? Guys, help me ako sa attain. A-T-T-A-I-N kung meron. Christian, yung Ines, anong sabihin ng Ines? I-N-E-S? Ano yung sabihin nun? Hindi rin natin siya pwede sa board eh. Let's do that again ha. Let's do that later again. Okay? Sweep. Meron sweep. Dito siya. S-W-E-E-P. What else guys? Keep commenting your words. Tweet tsaka Puce. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko ng P-E-W-S? Puce ba yun? Unset. U-N-S-E-T. Yung kasama na comment ng Puce, di ko siya nabasa pa guys. Comment mo na lang ulit. Okay? Donna Seti. S-E-T-T-E-E. Meron. Seti. Swag meron, Liza. Taste. T-A-S-T-E. Pareho meron yun. Tighter. T-I. T-E-O. Hindi ko sure pwedeng tighter, guys, ha? Hindi ako po sure. Pwede. Guest, meron guest. G-U-E-S-T. Lahat ba ng words yun na shoutout ko na? Kung hindi pa, guys, comment yun lang ulit. Taxi, T-A-X-I meron. Titan, T-A-T-A. Dali, paano yung Titan? T-A-T-A. Hindi ata pwedeng Titan, no? Kasi walang A na malapit sa N dito. Let me know kung nagkakamali lang ako, guys, ha? Swang, S-W-U-N-G. Yes, meron. Watts, W-A-T-T-S. Meron. Nance, N-U-N-S. Guys, we still have 43 seconds left. Sin, yung tin, meron tin. Sin naman, S-W-E-N, meron. Sugar Raffy, meron. Tins, meron. Hero. Unsee, Overthinker Bell, U-N-S-E-E, meron. Sweet, Sis Ramos, meron. Sweet, S-W-E-E-T. What else? Sweet, meron. Maya. Nico Petit, meron. OC Julia, meron. Ano ba yung OC Julia? Meron yun OC Julia yung Watts. Yoj Petit, meron. Chris Ramos, meron. Sweet, Totoy Starks, Petit, meron. Okay, guys, ano pa? PETA, yung PETA, yung sabihin niya, guys. Yung ba yung PETA na ginagawa ng mga estudyante? Rug, R-A-U-G-E, R-A-U-G-E. Hindi ko lang kung meron ganyang word. Ano ko siya? Rogue, R-O-G-U-E. W-A-S-T, W-A-S-T-E. Guys, if you can check that in the dictionary, mas magaling. Okay, Angus, yung Angus beef, no? Ganun, parang ganun. A-N. Pwede ba siya? Yung Angus, A-N-G-U-S. Pwede naman. Next, meron Petit. Guys, time's up na tayo dito. What is our longest word? Sino nakaka-remember na longest word natin? Guys, ano yung longest word natin? Unseen ba? Nico, may unseen. Nico, habol natin yan na unseen step. S-T-E-E-P, meron S-T-E-P, tsaka steep, meron din. Ano yung longest word natin, guys? Unsteep. Dan, may word bang unsteep? Can you confirm that kung meron talagang ganyan? If you have already confirmed that. Ano longest word natin, guys? Unsweet ba? U-N-S-W-E-E-T. Wala do unsteep, guys. Sorry. Guys, ano yung longest word natin? Did you remember? Unsweet, tsaka unsweep. Yung unsweep meron ba, Rog? Nasa Merriam-Webster ba yan? Yung unsweet meron, no? Ito yung sabihin ng rug. Thank you, Ada. Type of Italian meat sauce called ragu. The name of a musician or the surname of a person. Okay, so ang ating longest word. Yes, I can make petit naman. Okay, ishuffle na natin ulit. Water break lang ako, guys. Habang naka-water break ako, guys, what did you have for dinner tonight, guys? Unswept daw ang nasa Merriam-Webster. Hindi siya Excuse me, thank you, Overthinker Bell. Wala po unswept daw meron. Okay, guys, shuffle lang natin. What did you have for dinner? Pakbet, sinigang na salmon. Thank you, Kevin Carlos, sa pag-follow. Okay, guys, hindi pa kayo nakapollow sa account ko at nag-enjoy naman kayo sa game na to. Most especially, guys, if you want a brain exercise, eto, guys, you are in the right place. Okay? Ang palaya. Wow, sasarap. Walang dinner. Oh, nagda-diet ka ba? Who knows? Okay. Papaitan. Wow. Sopas. Siguro yan. Okay. Alright, guys, ha? So, ayan. Asin at olive oil. Pouchin sharks. Wow. Ay, sarap niyan. Gusto ko rin yan. Pag nagpupunta ako sa yan order ko. Dona. Okay? Naka-follow na ba kayo, guys? Guys, di natin patatagalin natin next round. So, here it is. Ready naman siguro kayo, no? Oh, pasalipo. Dating sa mag-follow, guys. Okay, guys. Ito na ating next round. Mabilisan ang ating laro ngayon, guys. Mabilisan, di pa tayo tapos, guys. Mabilisan lang ang ating turnover, ang pagpapalit ng round. Okay, timer starts now. Best. Ang bilis ni B-E-S-T. Ni Zonya tsaka ni Who knows? Tingnan mo, hindi pa kumakain si Who knows yan. Pero ang bilis, ha? D-I-S-C, meron. What else? I-comment nyo na po ulit yung mga words, guys, para mas mapadali ang aking pag-check. B-E-E-R. B-E-E-R, meron beer. Race. R-A-I-S-E, meron. Trace. T-R-A-C-E. Paano, guys? Pwede yung trace? Balikan mo yung trace, hindi ako sure kasi walang T na malapit sa R. Balikan natin yan, ha? Recess. Yan, paborito mo estudyante. Recess. R-E-C-E-S-S. Ay, guys, R-E-C-E-S-S. What else? Cost ba yun? C-O-S-T-S? C-O-S-T-S. meron sabihin yan eh. R-A-C-I-S. Pero pwede i-comment. Bawal ko lang sabihin. Scare. S-C-A-R. S-C-A-R-E meron. Recess meron. Merong recess. Meron yung ano, yung R-A-C-I-S-T-S. Di ko lang pwedeng R-A-C-I-S-T-S. Di ko lang siya pwedeng sabihin. Meron yun ha. Praise. P-R-A-I-S-E meron. Scrap. S-C-R-A-P meron. Praise meron. Dito yung praise. P-R-A-I-S-E meron. What else? Ratio. R-A-T-I-O. R-A-T-I-O. Pwede ratio. Priest. P-R-I-E-S-T meron. Scars. S-C-A-R-C-E. Meron scars. Yes, meron scars. Apaces. Spaces ba apaces? Apaces ba yun? Ano sabihin ng apaces? Dan. Dan si Dan ba nagbigay ng apaces? Ikaw ba? Steer. S-T-I-R. Meron. Pacer. P-A-C-E-R. Meron pacer. P-A-C-E-R. Praise key yan. Meron praise. P-R-A-I-S-E. Perfect for a Sunday, guys. Mga word natin. Precise. P-R-E-C-I-S-E. Tandaan nyo yung mga longest word natin, guys, ha? Para maan natin kagad mamaya. Best. Meron best. B-E-S-T. Yes, Kelvin, may precise. Dare. D-A-R-E. D-A-R-E. Yung recess, guys, meron yan. Yung paborito ng mga estudyante, recess. Data. D-A-T-A meron. Copra. Yan. C-O. Yan. Ina-export yata natin yung Copra, no? C-O-P-R-A meron. Zonya meron data o data. Yan. Data. D-A-T-A. Pati ba yung data, pinopronounce nila data na. Ang ibig sabihin ng apace daw is swiftly, sabi ni Dan. Thank you, Dan, sa meaning ng apace. So we learned a new word for tonight. Apace means swiftly. MC, critic. C-R-I-T. Pwede ba? C-R-I-T. Pwede ba yung critic? C-R-I-T-I-C. Pwede yung critic. Yes, Valley merong ratio. Cortec, acids. Check natin yan. Acids, A-C-I-D-S. Meron. Brockless Star, merong R-A-C-I-S-T-S. Meron. Overthinker Bell, meron Scrap, Rafi, Pacho. Pacho ba pronunciation yan, guys? P-A-T-I-O. C-I-S-T-S, may ganun bang word? Ano ibig sabihin C-I-S-T-S? Ang alam ko kasi C-Y-S-T-S, diba? Prices, P-R-I-C-A-E-S, meron. Meron yan, yung R-I-A-C-I-S-T-S. Someone who enjoys an activity, BEAST. Okay, B-E-E-S-T is someone who enjoys an activity daw. Sabi ni Hevro. Hevro pala, Hevro. MC Dots, D-O-T-S. D-O-T-S, pwede. Thank you, Hevro, sa bagong word na yan na ating natutunan for tonight. Yan. Brock Lester, meron yung word na yan. Praise saka priest meron po. Dice saka dicer, let's check dice. D-I-C-E, meron. Tapos D-I-C-E-R, pwede din. Paradise, can we do paradise? Igolotes. Paradise. Wow, very good sa paradise. Disco. D-I-S-C. Hindi ata pwede yung disco, guys. Pwede ba? Yung disco, classmates? Di ako sure. Si Julia, pwede ba yung disco? D-I-S. P-disco ba yan? Parang hindi siya kaya. Parang tatanong siya. Si Julia, let me know, ha? Kim Jin may critic. Kaya po yung disco. Paano? D-I-S. Paano, guys? Help nyo ako sa disco. D-I-S-C, di ba? Nasa yung O. Kasi, dito sa bababa, D-I-S-C-O. Tama, pwede yung disco. Prices, thank you, who knows. Yan, guys, I appreciate kapag may tumutulong sa akin na magsabi kung nagkamali lang ako. Okay? Guys, time's up na tayo. Ano yung longest word natin for this round? What's our longest word? Excuse me, guys. What's our longest word? Is it, precise? P-R-E-C-I-S. Is it precise yung ating longest word? 7 letter? Paradise pala. Yes. Panting, overthinker bell. P-A-R-A-D-I-S-E. 8 letter word ang paradise. Okay. Paradise ang ating longest word. Okay guys, shuffle ko na ha. P-R-E-C-I-S. Yung precise kasi 7 letter word, yung paradise 8 letter. So paradise ang ating longest word officially. Okay? Shuffle na natin. Okay guys, para sa ating next round, kailangan ko ng 10 mag-share. Okay? Medyo madami kasi mag-water break ako. So medyo 10 ang kailangan natin mag-share para sa next round. Okay? 10 mag-share guys. Okay? Bilangin natin. Yan, si Overton Gerbil 1. 10 mag-share guys. Rog 2. Who knows 3. 7 na lang guys. 7 na lang. Yan, Sonia 4. Jasmine 5. Overton Gerbil 6. O, 4 na lang. Ang bilis lang, no? O, Kim 7. Rendeville 8. 2 na lang mag-share guys. Ready na tayo sa next one. Candeleb 9. Caldendib. Charendeville. Yan guys. Thank you sa pag-follow. Guys, follow din kayo kung kung gusto nyo maka-join sa ating next games. Okay guys, nire-ready ko lang ang ating board. In 10 seconds, I will give it away. Okay, do you want it? If you want it guys, you got it. Okay? Ito na siya guys. Thank you kay Den Dave sa pag-follow. Okay, you want it? You got it guys. Timer starts now. What's the first word? Jets, Jets, Jets. Marvin, good evening. Nandun si Marvin. Deputy, Deputy. Very good, Deputy. Strat, Strut meron. Nest, Nest. Mabilis ang ating pacing ngayon, Marvin, napansin mo. Sin, cherry pie yan. SEEN. Ganito na tayo lagi, guys. Adult, margin, adult, ADULT meron. Test, TEST meron test. Lime, LIME guys. Yan. Jets, meron jets. Tin, TEEN meron. Pure, namimiss nyo na guys. Okay, balik na kayo guys sa ating klase. Pure, Sent, SENT. Nabisi yung iba nating mga regular classmates. Sonia, meron deputy. Duty. Ayan guys, i-comment nyo lang paulit-ulit kasi dahil may timer tayo para hindi natin ma-miss out. Mas nakakatulong guys pag paulit-ulit yung kino-comment kasi mas nababasa ko siya. PATTY, merong patty. Timer, TIMER, meron timer. Days tsaka pace, DAYS, meron, tapos PAYS. Pareho meron yun. Who knows? Cherry pie, kay cherry pie naman. Cherrylyn, Rusty, RUST, wait lang. Rusty, how do we do that? Pwede ba yung Rusty? Parang wala akong nakitang U na malapit sa S. Okay, balikan ko yung Rusty guys ha. Pray muna, pray. P-R-E-Y. Paano siya? P-R-E-Y. Meron. Rusty, paano yung Cherrylyn, paano yung Rusty? R-U? Can we do it? Yung Rusty? Paano hindi ko siya alam? Deputy, yes. Cherry pie may deputy. Rafi may pray. Oh guys, yung comment section natin nasa baba na. So kailangan nyo i-comment talaga mga words na purify ba yun? P-U-R-I-I. Pwede ba yung purify? Parang hindi siya pwede. No, hindi yata pwedeng purify. P-U-R. Kasi tatalon siya, guys. Hindi kasi pwedeng tatalon yung mga letters. Kailangan magkakadikit. Overthinker Bell, start. Ano yung sabihin ng start? S-T-U-R-T. Ano yung sabihin ng word na yan? Tilt. O guys, hindi yung sabihin. Hindi ko siya alam. Walang word na ganun, ha. I'm just being honest with you. Pure. P-U-R-E, meron. P-U-R-E, meron. Tent. T-E-N-T, meron. Ano guys yung isa? Pray. Yes, Pinky pa yung may pray. Kian may tin. Merong Strat, Perry. Cherrylyn, Ment. M-E-N-T, meron. Guys. Ayan yung start, ha? We are learning a new word for tonight. S-T-U-R-T or start. It's a noun which means contention. Okay. Rent. R-E-N-T. R-E-N-T, merong rent. Tin, T-E-E. Ba't di ko rin pala alam ibig sabihin ng contention? Hindi, alam ko, nalito ako, ibig sabihin, ano kasi ibig sabihin ng contention? Nakalimutan ko yun guys, nalito ako. L-A-M-B, if you can give me the meaning of contention. Deputy, yes, meron, Rudy Lin. Tape, T-A-P-E, T-A-P-E. Paano guys, pwede ba yung tape? I'm not sure guys, balikan natin yung tape classmates ha. Pattern, noun meaning skater. Patterner, it's a noun meaning skater. Okay, Marvin, gawin natin yan. Patterner. P-A-T-T-E-N-E-R. Guys, ayan, patterner. Ang ibig sabihin daw, skater. Sabi ni Marvin. Ito yung ibig sabihin ng contention, sabi ni Overthinker Bell. A point advanced or maintained in a debate or argument. Oo. Contention is a point maintained in a debate or argument. Okay. Parang position, no? Line. Yes, may line. Meron. O kaya, parang yung pinaglalaban mo. Okay. Trio. Trio. Meron trio. Okay. Contention. Yes. Liter. Guys, yung liter. 1 liter. Liter. Yan, meron. Tape. T-A-P-E-D. Meron. Deputy. Meron pong deputy. Meron tape. T-A-P-E-D. Who knows? Rude tsaka dupe. R-U-D-E. Meron. Tapos dupe. D-U-P-E. Okay, sir. 1 may tin. Okay, we still have 15 seconds left in our timer. Can you comment all the words na nakikita niyo pa na hindi pa natin nasa shoutout? Yes, Jasmine may timer. Dito siya. Timer. T-I-M-E-R. Mentis. Yan. M-E. Guys, paano yung mentis? M-E-N-T-E-E-S. Okay, time's up na tayo. What's our longest word? Is it? Ano yung longest word natin, guys? Time's up na tayo. Sorry guys sa mga bagong pasok na word. Yung stay, habol natin yung stay. S-T-A-Y. Pwede yung stay. Ay, yung longest word natin guys. Pattern. Is it patterner? P-A-T-T-E-N-E-R. That's an 8-letter word. Deputy is a 6-letter word. So, officially, yung ating longest word for this round is patterner. Okay? So, we are now we are now to next, second to the last round na tayo guys ha. Pasok Marvin, yung partner mo, siya ang longest word natin. Okay? So shuffle ko na guys. Are you ready for our second to the last round? Tuwa si Marvin. Marvin Rama, tsaka si Marvin. Dalawang Marvin natin. Marvin De Leon, tsaka si Marvin Rama. Sorry. C-O-N. Hindi, no, walang contention, guys. MC, yung contention, siya? Meaning siya ng, kasi, is ng start. Binigay kasi yung meaning ng S-T-U-R-T. Yung S-T-U-R-T, ang ibig sabihin daw niya contention. So, kaya lang nakalimutan ko lang yung ibig sabihin ng contention. Kaya sabi ko, pwede pakibigay meaning ng contention. Yan, okay. It's not in the board. It was just given as a meaning. Okay? Yes, MC, no problem. Okay, ready na kayo sa next round? Kinabahan ka pa, Marvin. Matagal na absent si Marvin sa game natin. Naging busy sa mga students siya. Okay? Guys, for our next round, I need one na mag-share lang ng live. One lang. Joylen, ready na si Joylen. Isang mag-share lang ng live, we will have the next game na. Isa lang. Na-miss ka din namin. Inahanap ka lagi ni na ba't wala pa sina Martin tsaka sina Patcat? Kasi mga 9:30 pa sila eh. Hindi sila makakahabol sa game natin. Okay guys, isang mag-share na ng live, we will proceed to the next game na. One share lang, then we will go. We are ready to go. Okay, aray ko, share the live. Ito na guys, diba, sabi ko naman sa'yo, timer starts now. Okay. Hinahanap ka na ng Martin tsaka na Patcat, Marvin. Okay, game na tayo guys. First word, Valley, coin, C-O-I-N, meron. Joylen, Rose, R-O-S-E, meron. Riot, R-I-O-T, meron. Stored, S-T-O-R-E-D, meron. Herd, H-E-R-D, meron. Forset, Overthinker, ano ibig sabihin forset? F-O-R-S-E, paano yung forset? F-O-R, guys, balikan yung forset ha. Scored muna, scored. S-C-O-R-E-D, meron. Scored. Forest. F-O-R-E. Forest ba yun? Nakamali lang. Okay, forest, meron forest. Cents. C-E-N-T-S. C-E-N-T-S, meron cents. Coin, meron coin. Ironic. Paano guys? Ironic. And ironic. Tor, T-O-R-E, meron. Order, O-R-D-E-R. Very good. Order. Pwede siya. Stored meron. Order meron. Sir Juan may stored. Iron meron din. Shermaine may stored. Engine may scored. Sir Juan may stored, Riz stored meron. Yes, ironic meron. Valley scored meron. Anchor. E-N-C-O-R-E meron. Merong sent. Who knows? Host. H-O-S-T. H-O-S-T meron. May sent po. C-E-N-T. C-E-N-T over there. Cinque. Cinque. Ano yun? Ano yun, guys? Ano yung sabihin cinque? May ganun bang word? Pakit-check sa dictionary, guys, ha? Pero hindi ko pa siya nabubuo. Pero nandito ba? C-A-N-Q-U-E. Meron bang C-I-N-Q-U-E? Yes, may scored. 4. F-O-R-E, meron din. Forest, R-J, meron. MC may sent. Pinkie Pie may iron. Penny may host. Mark, ano yung sa'yo? Mark Knight ba? Mark na ano? Rifer? Mark, ano yung sabihin ng Rifer? R-I-F-E-R. Ano yung sabihin yan? Who knows ano yan? Rose, merong Rose. RJ may Forest. Yes, correct. Noah. Yung N-O-I-R, di ba? Ang pronunciation yan, Noah. Tama ba? N-O-I-R? Noah o Noir? Ano yung pronunciation ng N-O-I-R? Who knows? Anybody here na alam yung ibig sabihin ng N-O-I-R? Order meron, RJ. Cherry Pie, Foes, di ba na-check yan? Check na. F-O-E-S meron. Rifer, ito yung sabihin ng Rifer, guys. Abundant daw yung sabihin ng Rifer, according to Mark. Very good. Cinque, 5 on a dice. Cinque. Oh, dice. English word ba yung cinque? Nasa Merriam-Webster ba yan, honey? Ionic. Ionic. A-O-N-I-C. Merong Ionic. Co-ed. Yung co-ed, di ko lang ibig sabihin abbreviation ba yan o word talaga siya. Black. Ano yan, guys? Black yan yung noir. Oh, guys, black daw yung noir. Noir o noir. Toke. T-O-Q-U-E. T-O-Q-U-E. Meron. Toke. Yes, Chichi meron. Joylen Host meron. H-O-S-T. Over there. O, comment nyo lang ulit, guys, yung mga word na hindi ko pa na-check. Ironic. I-R-O-N-I-C meron. Juice o Deuce. D-U-E-S meron. Rest. R-E-S-T meron. Yud. Guys, may word bang yud? H-U-E-D? Pero nasa board siya, core, Q-U-O-R-E. I'm not sure kung may ganyang word. Pero nasa board, guys, ha. Infest, I-N-F-E-S-T. I'm not sure about the meaning of the word infest. If you can give the meaning, guys, that will be very much appreciated. S-C-E-N-T, meron, sent. Croak, ano yung sabihin croak? Pinkie Pie. Ano yung sabihin croak? Gawin natin Pinkie Pie, pero paki-provide mo yung meaning. C-R-O-Q-U-E. Merong croak sa board natin. Foes, meron foes. F-O-E-S. Diba? Kaaway, foes. Stored, Kisha meron stored. Ray may sense ba yun? C-E-N-T-S. Meron sense. Ito yung sabihin ng Core according to MC. Core is a hospitality software. So it's a brand. Hindi siya pwede, guys, pag brand name, pangalan ng tao. Guys, for this round. For our second to the last round. What is our longest word? Natandaan nyo ba? Scored ba? Excuse me, S-C-O-R-E-D. Is it scored? Tosino Fest. Hindi pwede yan. Marvin. Scored ba? Scored na natin longest word, tsaka stored. Horse, gawin natin Cherilyn yung horse. Di pa na-check yan. H-O-R... Yes, may horse, Cherilyn. So, scored tsaka stored ng ating longest word. Scorer, S-C-O-R-E. Pwede rin scorer. Okay, guys. Forest pwede din. S-C-O-R-E. Guys, scored, stored, tsaka forest ang ating longest words. Okay, tatlo sila. Shuffle ko na, guys, ha. Mag-ready kayo sa ating final round. Gusto ko, sa ating final round, guys, make sure ma-count yung words na i-comment nyo. Kaya i-comment nyo siyang paulit-ulit. Okay? Are you ready for our next round? If you are ready for our next round, mag-follow kayo sa account ko para lagi kayong kasama sa ating game kasi you will get notified kapag naka-follow kayo sa aking account. Yes, Marvin, kasi o kanina pa tayo Marvin na doon ka kanina nag-start tayo. Okay? Maaga tayo nag-start ngayon, guys. Okay, if you're ready for our next live, comment na lang kayo ng guys. Good night na lang kasi last round na natin para magkaroon tayong good vibes, okay? Good night. Good night agad. Yeah, good night everyone. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos dahil magla-last round pa tayo. Okay? Eto na guys. So, kung meron din sa inyo na pwede mag-share ng live, gawin nyo na lang guys ha. Pero start na tayo. Timer starts now for our next game. Eto na guys sa ating finale. Finale game. What's the first word for our finale game? Final game? Iron? May iron ulit. I-R-O-N. Very good. Peer. P-E-E-R. P-E-E-R. Meron? Pure, P-U-R-E, meron din. Unpure, U-N-P... hindi pwedeng unpure guys kasi dalawa yung U ng unpure, isa lang yung U natin dito. Okay, let's move on. Pick, P-E-A-K, meron. Keeper, K-E-E-P-E-R, meron. Meron pick, puree, P-U-R-E-E, meron puree. Unripe, U-N-R-I-P-E, meron unripe. Dahil sabihin ng proud na may E. Pero gawin natin yan, P-R-O, pwede ba siya? P-R-O, hindi ata pwede yung proud, no? Balikan natin yung proud, Pring. Ay sabihin ng pring. P-R-I. Guys, kung hindi niyo pa alam yung game, kailangan guys magkadikit, magkasunod, kailangan magkadikit lagi. Merong pring, P-R-I-N-G. Hindi ko lang alam yung sabihin ng pring. Hanggang ring na kasi tinuro sa akin, guys. Young. Y-O-U-N-G. Merong young. Proud. Paano yung proud? P-R-O? Is it here? Is there another way to do proud? Let me know. Irony. I-O-R-O-N-Y. Ano yung mahabang yun? Turing. T-O-U-R-I-N-G. Meron. Kaya yung guys, yung keepering Marvin, noun is a noun, work of a keeper as a gamekeeper. Okay, keepering. Sa Merriam yan, Marvin Siyempre, alam mo na may rule na Marvin. K-E-P-E-R K-E-P-E-R-I-N-G. Merong keepering Marvin. Unripe. Merong unripe. U-N-R-I-P-E. Yung daw keepering guys, ang meaning niyan ay, according to Marvin, is a work of a keeper. Just such as a gamekeeper. Meron Turing Valley, pure, meron pure, P-U-R-E. Okay guys, puny, ano yung sabihin puny? P-U-N-Y. Nasa board siya, nihilidor, kaya hindi ko ibig sabihin yan. Ignore. I-G-N-O-R-E. Merong ignore, overthinker bell. Dave, rupee. Rupee is pera ng India. R-U-P-E-E. Pera ba ng India yung rupee guys? Tama. Puree meron, peer meron. Joyland, pied. P-I-E-D-P-I... Paano guys? P-I-E-D. Anong sabihin ng P-I-E-D na pied? Joyland. Unity. U-N-I-T-Y. Merong unity. Keeper. Merong keeper. K-E-E-P-E-R. Hike. H-I-K-E. Okay guys, comment yung mga words nyo kasi meron na tayo 2 minutes and 2 seconds left. Toying. T-O-Y-I-N-G. Toying. Purity. Meron purity, di ba? P-U-R-I. P-U. Allah. Wala yata. P-U-R-I. Hindi yata pwedeng purity. P-U. Guys, pwede ba yung purity? Parang hindi pwede. Roach may ignore. Tama yan. May irony, meron thesis. Miss RB, Prayo. I'm not sure guys kung Prayo is a standalone word. Okay? Pero nasa board natin. Di ba? It's priority. Yes, may ignore user 278202617223. Sinipag sa pagano. Doting. D-O-T-I-N-G. Meron bang doting? Yes, may doting. Irony, gaw-gaw meron. Prong. Yes, may prong na word, no? P-R-O-N-G. Ano kami prong na word? Yes, Crison, meron prong. Garn. Ay sabihin ng G-U-R-N, guys. Garn. Unity meron, guys. Puny po is poor quality. Oh, guys, meron tayong bagong word na matututunan. Puny is poor quality daw yung meaning yan. Yes, may pick Marvin De Leon. P-E-E-K. Tsaka P-E-A-K. Meron din. P-E-A-K meron din. Puree, meron puree. Okay, what else? Peering. Hindi ko alam sabihin ng word na peering pero gawin natin. P-E-E-R-I-N-G. Meron naman. Thank you, Chari, sa pag-follow. Guys, kung di pa kayo naka-follow, follow kayo, para makasama kayo lang. EGOT, guys, yung I-G-O-T. Ano sabihin ng I-G-O-T? Hindi pa Tagalog word yung EGOT? Charity, thank you sa pag-follow. Pinkie Pie, pruning, P-R-U-N-I-P P-R-U-N-I. Guys, di pwedeng pruning kasi dalawang N yan. Pinkie Pie. Pero isa lang letter N natin sa banda dito. Okay, what else guys? Did I miss a word? To pay. T-O-U-P-E-E. Meron to pay. Keeper Zonia meron. Young Jade meron. Karamiya may pick. Okay guys, time's up na tayo sa round na to. What do you think is our longest word? Sino nakaka-remember? Do you remember our longest word for this round? Keepering, no? Kay Marvin. Keepering. That's a 9-letter word. Tama ba? 9-letter word yung keepering, no? Keepering. Guys, so ayan guys, ang dami nating nalaro. Peering, verb to look narrowly or to come slightly into view. Okay guys, ito may bagong word tayo na binigyan ni Marvin. Peering, P-E-E-R-I-N-G is a verb, which means to look narrowly or to come slightly into view. So parang magpipick ka din, no? Okay, that's the final game. Guys, final game natin. So guys, see you again. Good night everyone. God bless. See you again tomorrow. Okay, good night. Hindi guys, may assignment ako eh. Okay guys, good night. Thank you. Kanina pa kami nag-start Marvin. Okay, lagi naman bitin. Okay, good night everyone. See you again. God bless.